is almost here. Any second now.
This just in. It's Peter Pinky Playhouse time! Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready for a brand new day?
Yes, we're ready!
Yes, we're ready! Then let's get going right away. The skies are cotton candy. The sun will never fall. Let's meet all our friends. Do I hear a roll call? Roll call, roll call. We have Pirate Pete, Business Betty 2, Smiling Steve, and Mayor Stitches. How are you? Wait. Well, Steve, you don't look too smiley today. Okay. Frowning Fred doesn't really have much marketing potential. How do we cheer you up?
You can't.
Oh, wow! This isn't the plot of today's episode.
Episode?
Well,
What?
let's just go with it.
Steve! What are you doing, my boy? You're acting like such a freak! Explain to me why you let us down. Not to mention, he who gives us light.
Don't you just think it's, I don't know, weird?
Son, you're weird.
We just stay here. We go through the same number every day, and when Peter's whole episode is up, he just walks out that door.
Sockville? We're one of the most important cities in the world. We have millions of years of history.
Mayor, I think it's all fake.
What is America? We must gather the Supreme Court. We have a very important announcement to make.
Affirmative. Listening.
Steve?
Aye, that do be important. There may be treasure out ye horizons.
Agreed. Plan?
Oh, right, the plan. The plan is to sneak out and win?
I want a divorce.
Get ready for a brand new episode of The Secret Lives of Puppet Wives tonight at 7, only on PBJ.
And now, back to a very special episode of Peter Pinky's Playhouse.
And that's why we never question authority. Right, little Timmy?
Boy, did I learn my lesson.
That's all for today's episode. See y'all tomorrow. You did great today. That's amazing. Thank you. I think I sang a note off key.
I noticed.
Thanks. It's not even a real studio. We filmed it in the back of a PT place. We have Smiling Steve and Mayor Stitches. How are you?
Ow. Shit.
What are you doing? Who even are you?
Kidnapping.
Walk the plank!
Yeah, I get that part. You guys suck at it. You didn't even put me in the trunk or anything.
Yes, we cannot drive.
You want me to drive you somewhere?
To the incinerator, where you will be burned alive.
No, take us to your leader.
What? The studio? We're already there. Where do you think we filmed the show? Did you plan this out at all?
Intriguing. Forward.
What are you doing? Did you tape me to the seat? I brought you light!
Yay!
What do you think you're doing, sock puppet?
ROI.
Risk of incapacitation.
That was really clever.
Great! Something else for me to clean up. Thanks for nothing. Whoa there, something. Let's slow it down a tad. Let's talk it out. I'm the executive. So, let me finish. You've been mistreated. We take full responsibility for our actions as a company, and through our condolences, we offer you a 10-episode limited mini docuseries. What do you say?
No!
I offer you $50K each.
Yes!
Wait, what the sock?
Come with me.
I knew better, Captain.
Given my position of power, you're the mayor now.
A pleasure.
Wait! You're just gonna stay with the studio that locked us up in the first place?
Who even are you?
For a couple of socks, you're pretty good at trapping someone.
What do you want?
Well, you got what you wanted, didn't you? This was the plan. Unless, of course, there wasn't a plan. I actually thought things were well. You probably don't even care about ratings. It's no wonder they jumped on some random opportunity. Some hero you are. What'd you even really do, Steve? Annoy some random employees? Did that save everyone? Who do you think you are? I can go home. I have a resume. I have reruns. I have a nostalgic reboot coming in 20 years. You're just a sock! And now you're gonna end up in a landfill. It must suck. Oh, it must suck! Who did this again?
Peter, wait!
God, I am talking to a sock! What am I even doing?
This is a representative from PBJ Studios. This entire film is a disgusting smear campaign and purely propaganda. We have the director, Coen Evans, in custody already. To everyone else involved, you can cease, but you can't desist.
So, sock puppets.
I could have been an astronaut. Why am I even here? Do you ever think about how us being here by accident insinuates that the universe's purpose is for nothing to exist?